gonna do a bit more sanding today. So I want to try and tackle this section here. I plan on leaving the top section of this to last. Really just for the fact, just to make sure I don't get much scratches, especially being on the top when I put things on there. So, alright. Let's get some sanding done. Okay, so we're going to do a bit more sanding now. I want to try and get all of that side all sanded, all inside there already, and all up there already. I want to try and get this thing ready for primer. Not for primer, for putty. So, to fill up all the pinholes. So, alright, let's get to it. So we'll keep sanding, still on the high fill a bit. I've got this much to go, and then still all the way to the top. But we're getting there slowly. Yeah, it's inside. Alright, I think today's the last day. I should be able to sand off all this high fill. Then we'll wash it and I'll be back with putting some filler on the pinholes. Alright, stay tuned. We're getting there. Ooh, dust. That's the thing with building a project. Dust never goes away. So, I'm almost done with the high fill. We're getting there. Doing very well. So we've gotten up to there. I've still got that side to go. All up there is all now already done. It's all done now through there. All done down there. So I've got half of the top done also. So which is coming up. Still got that over there and that side to go. We're done. Coming down. So we're getting there. Hoping that I get it done today. Give it a bit of a chamois clean. Dry it up a little bit. And then start putting some pinhole filler, a little fine filler on it. And then sand it down again. So today I should be finished with all the sanding of the high fill. We're nearly done. It's all done down the sides. I've just got a little section to do up the top over there, and then it should be time to wash it a little bit and then fill these little pinholes everywhere and little marks, and then undercoat all the parts that went a bit too deep. Okay. We're getting there. Okay, so now she's clean. So we're gonna now just let it dry up a little bit. I just used the chamois in the bucket just to clean all the dust off it. Now just make sure it's fully dry, and then tomorrow we'll start filling these pinholes. Looks like I got rid of 90% of the dust. So she's coming up good. And then we start like that. You can see there's a little bit of a dent there. Fill it up with putty again, sand it down, prime it again. All these spots here where it's gone too deep, put a primer back on it, and then give it a final wet rub and put it in the oven and get it painted. I'm so excited to get it painted. As you can see, the bungs are in the brand new transom. In another video, I'll explain to you why they're in, and how I've done a step that you don't usually do, but I've done to make sure that I never have a problem with the transom again. Okay, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.